Over the last 10 to 15 years, there's been a decline in students coming through. So CIT have identified that and we've decided to act on it and get some young kids back into the industry.
My dad's a mechanic, so that's what kind of got me into it. And at the moment, he's painting the car that he has. So I want to be able to help him. I like that the workshops are all very equal, and being a female in a men's dominated trade, you don't get treated as a female. You kind of get treated as one of the boys. Doing the program definitely has changed my mind. I definitely want to be a spray painter.
We can teach them a few basic skills like we're doing today without them having to go into this industry and have to do it. They can get a snapshot of what the industry looks like from the inside working, doing, and that makes them more employable for the students when they go to industry because they've touched a gun, they understand how to clean, they understand the PPE and the requirements of the job. So.
I'm interested in automotive trade because I've always liked cars, love working on them. I've found the workshops pretty fun, pretty good. The best part is learning new skills, socialising with everyone.
For these students taking these classes, I would successfully say we could nearly get, if they all wanted to apply, yes, we could get them all a job, or a traineeship or an ASMA, just something to, it's not suited for everyone, but just to try it to start with at least. We're trying to rejuvenate the industry.